Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. The 2023 Polaris Slingshot SL AUTODRIVE with 11,438 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. We've replaced the rear tire. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, keyless ignition, multifunction 2-speaker audio system, reverse and GPS prep. The Slingshot was built for exhilarating power and agility, with responsive handling, 3-wheeled stability, and high-end performance. The Slingshot exists in a class of its own, powered by a 1,997cc 4-cylinder engine. The Slingshot puts 178 horsepower and 120 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It seats 2, has a 5.4-inch ground clearance, and weighs in at 1,749 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.